Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to start a new series on the Python. So here my objective is to train you in the Python starting from the beginner level to the advanced level. So in the beginner level I will be today going through how to install a Anaconda libraries, and then I will give you some walkthrough on the different kind of IDs, and then in this series, I will be continuing towards the mid stage, like intermediate stage, where you will be learning different kind of functions, iterations, listing, and different kind of data sets which we generally used in the Python. And then in the advanced level, I will be walk you through the exploratory data analysis which you use by taking some examples of the Kaggle or some other platform, or basically openly free available platform. So this series is just intent for you to prepare a data scientist or machine learning engineer role. So for the data scientist or the machine engineer role, you need to know some programming language. There is a multiple programming language which are generally used by the data scientist or the machine learning engineer, and Python is one of them. So I will be simply starting this series from today, and I will try to make you ready for your next job. And if you wanted to have a current, if you wanted to have a job in data scientist, or looking for a job in data scientist or machine learning engineer, or right now when I am recording, many people are working in Gen AI or agentic AI framework, you should be having the Python knowledge. uh, from this course, this series, you should not expect to be having the expert level of the Python programmer, but what I will try to make you, at least you should have the basic understanding of the Python, and what kind of libraries you needed and how you will load that. So at least you should have the working knowledge of the Python. Okay, so starting from the first thing, we need to install a Anaconda library. So simply type the Anaconda download. Okay, and go to the first link, which is here. And once you will be here, you can see the some description about the Anaconda. Okay, and when you navigate through the below section, you will see this Anaconda is capable of doing the data exploration and transformation, visualization, AI and machine learning, NLP. R package is also getting installed nowadays, and GUI and front end developer. So this Anaconda contains the Python library. Python basically the package. You don't need to install the Python separately. Okay, so Python is the one of the programming language which you are going to use it, and you also see this is. I mean, nowadays Anaconda is also containing the R package or the R libraries. Okay, so to install that, you can simply just click on the skip registration, and the download will be start automatically. So for me, I already have installed the Anaconda. I already have downloaded the Anaconda in my system, and then for the installation process, you can simply click it on this Anaconda. So Anaconda package. So once the download is done, you just need to click on this package, and then it will ask, you can click this next, agree, simply just me, and there is one place. Okay, so simple, you can just simply start it. So I already have installed the Anaconda in my local, so it's saying that this is not empty. So for you it will be continuous. You simply just need to clicking the next button, it will be installed for you. Okay, it will take maybe sometimes like 5 to 10 minutes, but it will be installed. Okay, once the installation is done, you simply go to the search button, type the Anaconda. Okay, so the Anaconda navigator will be something like that, and this is the logo. So you can see this logo, and you just click the open here. Okay, So most probably within few seconds the Anaconda navigator will be open. Okay, so till the time this navigator is opening, I will give you some more details, like it contains different kind of IDE. Okay, like Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, and I think VS Code also is getting. This Anaconda is also containing the VS Code, and then PyCharm is one of the IDE which is containing. So this Anaconda contains different kind of IDE, and once you install this Anaconda, Python will get automatically installed. So you don't need to separately install the Python. Okay, and here if you can see that for me this is the navigator is coming. And why Anaconda is important for the data science, because in the data science you need to install different kind of libraries like NumPy, scikit-learn, or pandas, so different kind of libraries which is related to the data science. So once you install the Anaconda, you don't need to install those libraries. This Anaconda itself contain everything. Okay, so here if you can see it, it contains different kind of IDEs like PyCharm. It's have Anaconda AI navigator. It also have like Jupyter Lab, Notebook, IP, Qt Console, Spider, VS Code, as well as it also have the R Studio. Okay, so for today's, I will simply give you the overview of the Jupyter Notebook and how it look like. How can we create? How can we run the Python code there? So let's click on the launch. Okay, so okay, so it will get launched in some, I think 3 to 4 seconds mostly. So once it's launched, this will be something like that. Here you have the new, so here you can create the IPy kernel, the notebook, terminal, console, new folder you can create it, or you can upload it something. So for now, I will go to, or I will move to the document section here. So let's go to the document. And here first I will create a folder which is called Python tutorial. Okay, so inside the Python tutorial, let's go inside the Python tutorial now. What I will do, I will create a IPy kernel which is called a notebook. Like you just click to the Python IPy kernel, and it will be launched into the new tab, something like that. So here you have the file section. Here you can create the new console, something like that. You can also save it, you can rename it. So let's rename, for now it's something like Python tutorial 1, and the it will be end with IPYNB. Okay, so this is the syntax for this Jupyter Notebook. Generally for the Python it end with the .py syntax, but here for the Jupyter Notebook it will end with the IPYNB. So we generally say IPy now. Okay, so once we save it, here we have the like save button. Plus is like you already see one cell here, and we have the three kind of cell. One is the quote, one is the markdown, one is the raw. So by default it is quote. So here you can type your Python code, and there is a called markdown. For example, if you wanted to write something, like for example I wanted to write welcome to uh, data science. Okay, simple, like welcome to data science. This is the header syntax. You simply press the control plus enter, and it will be kind of header. And now you will just simply press, click the plus button. It will come the welcome, it will come to the next cell. Okay, so this is the code again. So here what you can type your Python code. So for today I will simply type the first sentence in the print statement. Most of the people type welcome to the Python, but I will type simply welcome to data science. Okay, so either you can press the control plus enter, or you can simply press the alt plus shift. So alt plus shift will not do anything here. You can simply press the control plus enter. Okay, so this cell got executed, and you will see here the welcome to data science is got printed. Okay, so that's it for today. So next video onward, I will start the basic to the Python, starting from the beginner level to go more details about what is the Python, how, what kind of data structure are there, and then we will move towards advanced level. Okay. Thanks for joining me, and welcome back to my channel again. Thank you very much.